In this video, I want to talk about solving a system of linear equations using substitution. So, substitution is basically just when we take one of the equations and we plug in what one of the variables is equal to into the other equation. So, I'm going to take this x in this equation, and I'm going to plug it in for x here so that I have one equation with one variable. So basically the big problem of solving a system of equations is that we have two variables and two unknowns, but we want to figure out how to have just one variable and one unknown so that we can solve it, because we're used to solving equations that have one unknown thing, but we're not used to solving equations that have two unknown things. So what we're going to do here is we know that x is equal to 3y minus 17. So right here, instead of writing x, we're going to write 3y minus 17. So instead of x, we're going to write 3y minus 17. So it's 3 times x, which is equal to 3y minus 17, minus 5y equals negative 31. So this will be 9y minus 3 times 17 is 51, I think. And then minus 5y equals negative 31. So then we'll have 9y minus 5y is 4y. Minus 51 equals 31, and then we can add 51 to both sides. So we'll get 4y equals 82. So dividing both sides by 4, we get 82 divided by 4 is going to be y equals 20.5. Okay, so now once we know what y is, we can plug this back in to this equation to find out what x equals. So x equals 3 times y, which is 20.5, minus 17, which is going to be, this is going to be 61.5 minus 17, so that should be, let's see, 61.5 minus 17 is, you could do this on your calculator, of course. 44.5. So x equals 44.5. So the solution to this system of equations is going to be x comma y. It's a point, right? Remember, when you graph them, it's the point where they meet. So it's going to be 44.5 comma 20.5. And that is the solution to this system of equations. So that's how you solve a system of linear equations using substitution.